A federal judge in the Tyré Nichols case granted a new trial for the 3 ex-Memphis police officers involved in that. And now back in June, Judge Mark Norris recused himself, sparking controversy. And now court records show Judge Norris had improper communication with FBI agents. The new judge, Cheryl Littman, is allowing those former officers a new day in court. And a Memphis criminal defense attorney tells ABC 24's Desmond Nugent how this decision could impact last year's federal case.
Andre Warden with the Warden Law Firm tells me those former Memphis police officers' federal trial last year, where they were all convicted of at least one charge, is now null and void with this new trial.
Those charges, for all practical purposes, that they were convicted of back in October, I think you referenced, those have gone away. These gentlemen right now stand presumed innocent.
It's a rare scenario, but that's the reality for ex-MPD officers Tadarius Bean, Demetrius Haley, and Justin Smith. Federal Court Judge Cheryl Littman granted a motion for a new trial. Memphis criminal defense attorney Andre Warden says this new trial gives them a fresh slate in court with the potential they may not face sentencing.
There won't be a sentencing hearing unless and until or if they're convicted. It is a very rare situation that defendants are granted new trials, but under the circumstances of what we know transpired, no, it did not surprise me.
Bean, Haley, and Smith were all convicted by a jury on federal charges in October 2024. Back in June, Judge Mark Norris recused himself after handling the case for 2 years. Court documents show Judge Norris told FBI agents and prosecutors that he believed a defendant in the case was in a gang and claimed gang members infiltrated the Memphis Police Department. Defense attorneys say no evidence was presented in court.
I'm sure they're relieved because anytime your clients have been convicted of anything, you carry that burden with you and you're going to continue to fight on. But you're relieved in a sense that the system worked for them.
Warden believes the state trial, where Bean, Smith, and Haley were each acquitted, provided leverage prior to requesting a new federal trial. He says eventually a resolution will happen in this case.
I know Memphians are probably growing tired of hearing about it. We want to move on, but this family, obviously the defendants who were involved deserve justice, but the family deserves justice. So in order to get it right, sometimes it takes a little while.
A status conference is set for September 25th to determine what will be retried. We'll continue to keep you updated on air and online. In the studio, I'm Desmond Nugent, ABC 24 News.